Can this pile of rust truly become a dream machine again? You won't believe the transformation. Today, we're taking this forgotten classic, a vintage BMW, from a dusty shell to a showroom stunner. Get ready for an epic journey of restoration. First, we peeled back the layers of neglect, dents, deep scratches, and rust spots everywhere. The engine? A monument to forgotten power. Every crevice, every faded panel told a story of time. Our mission: rewrite that story. We started by meticulously stripping away the old paint, sanding down to bare metal, and meticulously repairing every panel. Rust didn't stand a chance. The engine was completely rebuilt, piece by painstaking piece, bringing back its original roar. Then came the magic. Fresh, gleaming paint, polished chrome, and an interior so clean you'd think it just rolled off the assembly line. This wasn't just a repair. It was a rebirth. Hit subscribe to see more incredible transformations.